Under calm skies, the hours dissolve. I lose the question.